function f of x equals a constant times 2 raised to the negative x squared power, where x is between negative infinity and positive infinity. And we want to find a constant c such that the f of x satisfies the conditions of a normal probability density function. So the two conditions it has to meet are f of x has to be greater than or equal to 0 for all x, and the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of f of x dx is equal to 1. Now, if we're looking at the first condition, we know that 2 raised to negative x squared is always going to be greater than 0 because this is an exponential. And when we multiply by a constant, we want to make sure the constant is greater than 0. So let's find the constant using the second condition. So let's integrate the constant times 2 to the negative x squared dx from negative infinity to positive infinity. The constant factors out, and really what we want to focus on is just the integral of 2 to the negative x squared dx. And then we'll worry about the constant later. In order to do that, we must rewrite 2 to the negative x squared as e to the natural log of 2 to the negative x squared. These two are equivalent. And now the exponent will go in front of the log, like this. So that's what we have in this step right here. So these two are equivalent. Now recall, for a Gaussian type integral, if we have the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of e to negative ax squared dx, that's going to equal the square root of pi over a. For us, a is going to be the natural log 2. So we'll replace a with natural log 2 to get the integral is root pi over natural log 2. And notice that natural log 2 is greater than 0. So recall that for the integral, we have the c times the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity, and then 2 raised to negative x squared power dx. This became square root of pi over natural log 2, and that's going to equal 1. So c will just be the reciprocal, which is natural log 2 over pi. So putting it together, f of x is equal to square root of natural log 2 over pi times 2 to the negative x squared power, which, if you want, you can rewrite it as natural log 2 over pi times e to the negative x squared natural log 2. And we can compare this with the standard normal PDF form. So this is just optional. It's just kind of, I guess, another way to do it and to confirm that indeed this works. So this is the standard normal PDF, and we'll replace 1 over 2 sigma squared with natural log 2. So that means sigma squared will be 1 over 2 natural log 2. So 1 over square root of 2 pi sigma squared is just the square root of natural log 2 over pi. And so we check that that works. So the constant is the square root of natural log 2 over pi. And so that's going to be our final answer.